MOT flagged up was a leaking rear driver's side brake caliper. It was seeping fluid. So this was also an MOT failure. Something I didn't spot was happening very slowly. The brake fluid reservoir was below the recommended level, so it showed that there was a leak somewhere. So we're going to get that caliper off and put the replacement. Let's get this done. Around the underside of the caliper, things are looking quite greasy and quite wet. There we go, indicative of a brake fluid leak. So that caliper, we're going to get swapped out. So there we have it, new caliper fitted, including handbrake mechanism, bled and everything like this. You've not seen the bleeding process. I got the missus involved with that and did a two-person procedure whereby with the engine off, pumping up the foot brake till it's hard, and then while pressing the foot brake, releasing the bleed nipple on this side. And at the point where the pedal has travelled down, closing up before releasing the foot brake on the other side so as not to draw air into the system. You can see here it's literally dripping everywhere. We've had a failure of the seals and the boots inside the piston. So while it's still braked, it let go of a lot of brake fluid, as you can see. So definitely a job that needed doing. So we make our way then to the MOT test station for a retest, and hopefully we will have good news. So I'll join you very soon. Thank you for watching. Unfortunately, we have one pass here for the Lambda on the first run, but everything else is still a fail. That is really annoying and has really ticked me off. Some of the readings were even worse than they were last time. I did check the oil level on the dipstick. It is not reading. It's not reading as overfilled. It's just on the maximum mark. So I don't know if we're burning extra oil there or not. But the spark plugs are all there and correct, so that should only be helping. The leads, as I've mentioned, could have been better. And although we have the genuine latest revision of the Mazda coil pack, I don't know how well they're actually working, but there's no visual signs of failure, and they are the genuine article, and they've only done about 16,000 miles, I think, and they were done back in 2012. So although they've not done many mileage, they are old. So I think we've got some work on our hands. Aston at Essex Rotary has also said that we should maybe pull down the catalyst and have a look at that and see what the condition is visually. So that's really my next port of call. He also mentioned to check the oxygen sensors as well. The readouts that I'm getting are that it is running and reading rich, but it is still not throwing any error codes with regards to that. So it could be an issue with the sensors, that although things are reading high, it thinks it's fine when it actually isn't. So that's really my next port of call, and that is to pull down the catalytic converter and check these sensors and see what's happening down there.